Hello students, so I have come again with the second part of the chapter, how plants make food. So now we have studied about photosynthesis, we have studied about the structure of the leaf also, about the term also of photosynthesis, what it happens, what is the structure of the leaf we have studied. We have studied about stomata also. Now how the food is produced there, what happens there, we'll see there. Okay, get ready. Now see, during the process of photosynthesis, the food that the leaf prepares is a kind of sugar called the glucose. Glucose is nothing but energy. Whatever we'll get as a food, as a fuel to our body. Okay? Oxygen is given off into the atmosphere, and that oxygen who will take? Can you say that oxygen which is given off, who will take it? We will take it. Okay? And takes away the carbon dioxide from the air, and it purifies the air and helps us to stay alive. See, without plants, what will happen to us? If no trees are there, our carbon dioxide who will take? Isn't it? It will be whole polluted. So trees, plants are needed near our houses. Okay. So next is what? The glucose will change into starch before the plant stores in the fruit, stem, roots or the leaves. So in leaves, it will be like a glucose, and that glucose slowly will be changed into starch, means sugar, and it will be stored in the fruits, stems, roots and leaves. Okay, now we'll study about how the plants will store food. Let's see. Now plants store food as what? This, fruits and vegetables. It looks yummy, isn't it? I think all of you like fruits, no? We like fruits very much, fruits, vegetables, because we need it. These are the natural ingredients to us from the nature. We have to take it. Now we can't live. And this all food contain what? The starch. It contains starch. Okay. It is given by the leaves. While it makes food, it is given by the leaves to us. Okay. Now some stems are there. Those are vegetables. Those are what? Potato and ginger. These are stems as vegetables. Roots as vegetables are what? Roots as vegetables. Those are beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip. These are the roots as vegetables. Leaves as food is what? Spinach, lettuce, cabbage. These are the foods. Okay? As stems, as roots, as leaves. These all are contained in our nature. So we have to take it, isn't it? Next, we will study about what? How these plants use the food. So plants need energy to grow, isn't it? They also need energy. So they produce what? Flowers, fruits, seeds and more leaves. And then energy is provided by the food they prepare. Whatever they will prepare the food, from there only they will get the energy, and they will store their starch in the fruits, and that fruits we will eat. Isn't it? So whatever the plants, they also have to grow, isn't it? So whatever they will get sunlight, they will get carbon dioxide, they will get air, they will get water and minerals, everything they will keep as a energy to them. Like we take food, isn't it? In the morning o'clock when you take the breakfast, we take the breakfast and we can stay for many hours, and we are growing also. So from there, say similarly the plants also, they will make the food. Inside them, the plants will produce the food, and that food they will also use, and it will give to us also. Okay. Now, next slide will tell how they will what? How they will use the food. Now see. How they will use the food. Food is used to make the new cells and to repair the damage. If some damage is there in that plant, it will automatically, that food will help them, and it will make new cells. If any animal eats a portion of the plant can make a new cell to repair the damage. Okay, like if you cut sometimes, what will happen? Immediately the blood clotting will be there. Okay, one brown color you can see, no? So immediately the brown clothing will be there. And what happens means we have cells in our body. It will help to repair the damage. Similar in plants also. It will help the plants. So they use the food in that way. Okay. And also what? See. And also the extra food that is prepared by the plant, it is stored in the different parts as fruits, as stems, as roots, as seed or leaf, and that food we take. That food who take? Animals and humans. That food we take from the plants as fruit, as stem also. Stem just now we have studied, no? Potato, ginger, all are stems. Roots, beetroot, turnip, carrot, these all are roots. Seed, pulses, cereals, okay? Then corn, these all are seed. Leaf, what? Cabbage, lettuce, these all are leaf. So whatever we take from the plants, those are the food, isn't it? Now we'll discuss some points to remember. What are points to remember? See. Roots fix the plant to the soil and provide water and minerals to the plant. Yes, we have studied. The stem supports the plant and carries water and minerals to its leaves. It also carries food to all parts of the plant, isn't it? Green leaves contain chlorophyll. They make food for the plant by photosynthesis. Plants use some of the food by getting energy and for repair and growth, and extra food is turned into starch and stored in fruits, stems, leaves, roots and seeds. So these were the points to remember. Now this chapter is finished. Hope you have liked the chapter. If you have liked, then give one like button. Okay, click the like button, and you can share it also with your friends. Okay, students. So this chapter, how plants make food, it has two parts. It will be given in the playlist of class 4 as science. Please see there. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.